Ever wonder who's pulling the strings behind your favorite budgeting app? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the mystery: who owns PocketGuard? PocketGuard. That sleek little app promising to tame your finances. But who's the mastermind behind this digital money manager? Is it a faceless corporation? A tech giant? Or maybe a team of passionate finance gurus? Let's find out. The scene with a simple yet powerful mission: to make budgeting effortless. No more spreadsheets, no more complicated formulas. Just a user-friendly interface that automatically tracks your spending and helps you stay on top of your bills. But as PocketGuard gained popularity, a question began to linger: who exactly is funding this financial freedom movement? While PocketGuard might seem like an independent player in the fintech world, the truth is a bit more complex. In its early stages, PocketGuard was primarily bootstrapped, meaning the founders funded the company themselves. This independent spirit likely contributed to the app's initial focus on user experience and ease of use. The emergence of investors: as PocketGuard grew in popularity, it attracted the attention of investors. These investors provide the financial backing needed to scale the company, hire more talent, and continue developing innovative features. Current ownership structure: while PocketGuard doesn't publicly disclose all its investors, it's known that it has received funding from several venture capital firms. These firms play a crucial role in the company's growth and direction. The impact of investors: the involvement of investors can have both positive and negative impacts. Positives: investors bring valuable expertise, industry connections, and significant financial resources. This can accelerate growth and help PocketGuard reach a wider audience. Negatives: investors often have financial goals and may prioritize profitability over certain user-centric features. This could potentially influence the app's development direction. So, while PocketGuard might not be entirely independent, it's important to remember that the app's primary focus remains on empowering users to take control of their finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.